Guys, this is part 2 for opening the My Melody Blind Blocks. I buy blind box. Oh, it's so hard. So what we get here, it's really surprise. And My Melody squishy. Oh my god, it's so squishy. Her head is really big, but her body is so tiny. There's no more here. So I'm opening a card for here. I hope it's really special. Wait for a second. So, okay guys, I'm opening this. So, this is inside here. Okay, and how about this? I think only part 2 I'm gonna open this and get the stuff in here. Okay, bye.